to learn how to take care of our environment.
Rooney's Adventures, the Friendly Octopus. Rooney, along with his family, moved to a small town near the beach when his father got a job at a factory that made chocolates and ice cream. Rooney was sad as he missed his friends in the city. At the same time, he was also excited about swimming at the beach whenever he wished to. Every evening, Rooney played in the sand at the beach. While swimming in water, he met two fishes, Gilly and Billy, who became his new friends. One day he noticed that the beach was very dirty. There were lots of chocolate and ice cream wrappers lying all around. Rooney was worried, but he was more interested in playing with his friends. He ignored all the dirt on the beach. A few days passed by, and the beach was more dirty now. Rooney had come to play with his friends, but both Billy and Gilly had fallen sick due to the dirt on the beach. Rooney decided to help his friends by cleaning the beach. But first, he must find out the cause for all the dirt. Rooney looked around the beach and came across an 8-legged creature eating ice cream and chocolates. He was scared. He had never seen such a creature in his entire life. It was an octopus that lived in the shallow waters at the beach. An octopus has 3 hearts and 8 limbs known as tentacles. These tentacles have plenty of suckers that allow the octopus to taste food and attach itself to rocks or other objects. The octopus was throwing the wrappers of the chocolates and ice cream on the beach. Rooney was determined to help his fish friends. Even though he was scared, he went closer and requested the octopus to keep the beach clean. He explained to the octopus that the fishes were falling sick because of the waste thrown on the beach. To his surprise, the octopus was friendly and showed concern for the health of the fishes. He sadly replied, "Where else can I throw the wrappers? There are no dustbins around here." Rooney decided to use his pocket money to buy some dustbins to keep the beach clean. He went to a shop and asked the shopkeeper for some dustbins. The shopkeeper showed him dustbins of different sizes and colors. Unfortunately, Rooney didn't have enough money to buy any of those dustbins. But Rooney was not amongst those who gave up easily. He ran back home to his backyard. He found a few old boxes that were used to shift their belongings from the city. Rooney emptied those boxes and colored them green, pink, and blue. Rooney then put all those boxes on the beach and asked the octopus to always throw the wrappers in those boxes. The octopus helped Rooney collect all the waste from the beach. They put it in the dustbins and cleaned the entire beach. The clean and colorful beach attracted a lot of other creatures who lived deeper in the sea. Rooney made plenty of new friends to play with. His evenings are full of fun and games alongside all the sea creatures at the beautiful beach.
In the story, we learn that we should not throw garbage anywhere. We should put them in their respective trash bins. Also, trash should be separated according to biodegradable like leftovers and non-biodegradable like paper and plastics.
Good to be green. Yes, it's good to be green.
Oh no! There's a lot of trash here at the Ivy. How can we help Mother Nature? Let's pick them up. Okay. Here is this box. Remember our story earlier at the Ivy? Ivy?
Yes, Ate Dana, that we should always segregate the garbages.
Yes, let's do it right now.
Let me help you.
First,
We need to put
biodegradable.
biodegradable. Next is
Plastic.
plastic. And the last one is
Paper.
papers. Okay, let's start.
First one.
Plastic. Here.
Okay. How about this one?
That's also a plastic.
And this one?
Paper.
Here.
Plastic again.
Now we're all done segregating the trash. Biodegradable, plastic, and paper.
Good to be green. Yes, it's good, good, good to be green.
First step is
To wash the bottles.
this is how you wash bottles.
Now that we have washed it, let's wait for it to dry. Step is we are going to cut the bottles. But remember, you need an apple to help you with that. We are going to use scissors and
Cutter!
okay, let's go, Ate Ivy. Let's cut the bottle. Now we're going to the third step. We are going to cover it with tape. Now that it's covered with tape, we are going to paint it now.
Now that the tape is dried up,
We are now going to design our piggy pot.
Good to be green. Yes, it's good, good, good to be green.
now that we are done with our piggy pot, what is the use of our piggy pot, Ate Dana?
I think it's for planting.
Yes, it is for planting.
Now we're going to put soil in our piggy pot.
Wow, look at our plant.
I know, right? So now that we are done with our piggy pot, let's find a place where we can place it.
Let's go.
Let's go! Okay, kids, always remember that we should take care of our plants, so let's water it.
We hope that you learn something about taking care of our environment.
Remember to love Wonder Nature. See you again next time. Bye!
Good to be green. Yes, it's good, good, good to be green.